everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today's guy's going to take a look at just an absolutely gorgeous 1970 Buick Gran Sport real GS 455 car. Killer car, guys. I love this car, man. Gorgeous color combination. Factory bamboo cream with a dark burnished top and interior. Killer car, guys. I originally bought this car out in Arizona. Sold it to a buddy of mine. Then him and I just did some trading on a 442, so that's how I got it back. But beautiful car. It is, I think they said the car was restored in 2013, so it's a 10-year-old restoration. Again, real 455 GS car. It's got all, you're going to see all the stage 1 badging, and the previous owner said it's been upgraded engine-wise to all the GS specs, or I'm sorry, stage 1 specs, but it's not a real stage 1 car. Like I say, killer car, original color combination, good solid straight body. Car's got the Sloan Museum paperwork. There's a bunch of ownership stuff or history. There's receipts, original protecto plate, owner's manuals are in there. Car was originally bought and sold in Florida, and like I say, I bought it out west in Arizona. Neat car. We need to turn that, we need to adjust that headlight. But nice car. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on it. It's got a couple of the original T3s. You can see a little touch-up mark right there. Chrome and stainless is very nice on the car. I traded back for it this past weekend and went down to South Carolina to get it. We cruised it for 2 days. I know this is a good car, runs strong. You can see it's got the Ram Air Induction hood tach, all the lights, turn signals, the AC blows cold. Just a killer car. Again, this, I know it looks black, it's actually dark burnished is what it's called. Glass is really nice. All the side glass and rear glass is the original soft ray glass. Vinyl tops in great shapes. Had one repaint, and again, this is the original color. It's got rear defog. It works. That's actually, because that seam is actually factory. That's what that's actually supposed to do. When you guys hear me complain about guys filling in that seam, that's actually supposed to be there. Rear deck spoiler. Again, rear chrome is really, bumper's really nice. I love these cars, man. I don't know if there's a better looking car than a 70 Buick. These cars are just killer. Good solid straight body. Love the wheels and tires on it. It's got the Goodyear F60-15 Polyglass tires on it with a big 15-inch chrome Buick rally wheels. I don't know what that is. Something's got on there. We'll make sure the boys get that off. The chrome bumpers are all new. Nice car. Sits good. Like I say, drives good. Plenty of power. I think we're going to go ahead and run it down the road. The roads are a little wet. I told Mike to just take it easy when he takes off out of here, because these tires will just spin and get this thing sideways. That's a nice car right there. Killer color combination. Little touch-up mark right there. Again, original 455 car. I can't see the numbers on the block, so I'm not going to call it a matching numbers car. And again, he said it was updated to stage 1 specs, and you can definitely hear the cam and stuff when you fire this thing up. This thing's definitely cammed up. And it runs. It pulls hard. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power brakes, factory air. Yes, the air blows cold. And again, it's got all the Ram Air Induction. Yes, guys, I'm getting your emails about the videos. I know I'm breaking a couple of new guys in with the videos and they're struggling with it. This isn't the easiest thing to do. Everybody thinks these videos are so easy to just jump in, and these guys are new, they're a little older, and I jump in and drive the stuff when I'm going to get on it, so that you can kind of see the performance. They're not comfortable with it, and nor should they have to be. And so they're not the best at filming. You can kind of pick that a little bit, but that's really doggone nice. This is a remote mirror too. So like I say, they'll get better at it. Door seams are clean. Now, I think this is the original interior. This car's only supposed to have 60-some thousand original miles. Again, you can pick that a little bit. There's a little, you know, it's showing a little age on the door pads. I think this is original. That's original carpet. Factory bucket seats console. This happened actually to me. It's not gotten any worse. I'm going to happen to have my interior guy come take a look at it. It's the seam separated. I don't know if you can really do much for it. Factory tilt column with the Deluxe steering wheel. Really nice, man. This is just a nice car. It's got the hood tack. Of course, it's got the gauge package 63,917. And that is supposed to be the original miles. Airworks, it's got the factory AM, FM with the 8-track. Now, he said that works. When you turn it on, the light comes on, but I can't get a station, so I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or if something's happened, because I can't get it to come on. Buckets, like I say, bucket seats console, dual exhaust. It's a factory 10 bolts. I think it's 323 limited slip. Factory jack with spare. Even your spacers are in here. Yeah, I believe it's got all the original body panels. So you've got the bias ply spare. Tons of paperwork that goes with the car. Your original, he's got all the service manuals. There's the Sloan documentation. So here's all the original owner's manuals and everything. You see Jacksonville, Florida is where the car was sold new. And then there's a bunch of receipts, and then he's got copies of everything for when you display it. There's your original Protecto plate. And again, there's some service stuff in there as well, which is pretty cool. Everything opens and closes nice. Again, car's clean underneath. As always, I always post pictures of the cars underneath on the site. Just a good car. I know I messed up with the color when I ordered the mats. I ordered saddle. I was good. They make it in a darker color, and I messed up. But you're gonna have to live with them. They're 160 bucks. Yes, the carpeted mats are $160. Look how nice the dash is. Gauges are nice and clean. Rear defog works. Again, original glass, other than the front windshield, and it looks great. Put your AC on, Mike. Put your AC on. Takes a second, it doesn't mind. Like I said, no air works. We had it on this weekend. That works. And all your gauges are functional. The only thing on there that doesn't work is the clock. Everything opens and closes real nice. Backup lights work. to say, this little power up, it comes on, but I can't get it to work. Again, blower motor works, rear defog works. Wipers. You can hear the choke works and everything is still on high idle. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Easy here, Mike. The road's a little wet. Have a great day, guys.